Om Swastiastu. Good morning, the Honorable Adjudicator and all of my beloved participants in this competition. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Sang Hyang Widiwasa for blessing given to us, so that we are safe and are able to participate in this competition. I also would like to thank to the committee because they give me the chance to be representative of Class 11 Multimedia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Ge Chan. On this special occasion, I would like to deliver my speech entitled Youth Action for Nation, what Indonesia youth did in the past and do in the present. Youth is a time when most people asking their identity and their meaning in life. Those who find that their purpose in their life is to serve the country, to love their country, and to have strong patriotism, would love doing everything for their country. That's how Indonesia youth did in the past and the present. Our first president, E.R. Sukarno, stated that youth is the agent of change. They are able to do something to change everything in hope that change will bring a good impact in the future. He even stated, "Give me 10 youth and I will save the world." This implies a very deep message that youth can make a difference. If we talk about the role of the youth, it has been prominent since the colonial era. It's because the youth took a big part in our independence. The role of the youth at the time was to fight against the invaders with their strategy, mind, sweat, and blood. Their strength was needed to seize Indonesia from the hands of the invaders. Not to mention the youth in that era such as Khairul Saleh, Sayuti Melik, and the other youth played a very big and important role in the fight for independence of Indonesia. After Indonesia achieved its independence, the role of the youth increased a lot. In 1966, thousands of students took the streets, protesting the increasingly deplorable condition of the country. This demonstration began with the bloody tragedy of the September 30 movement 1965. The map of demonstration reached its peak on January 12, 1966. Of course, this is not easy struggle. However, this youth action made a difference for Indonesia. The struggle of the young people has not been over yet. Even though Indonesia proclaimed its independence 76 years ago, we have not yet been fully independent. Chairman of the Indonesia Young Entrepreneurs Association (HIPMI), Mardani-H. Maming, state that Indonesia has not yet economically independent. This becomes a motivation for the youth to create more opportunities for others to get a job, so that Indonesia can become economically independent. Let me give you some examples of youth who successfully create job opportunities. They are startup company named Ruang Guru, founded by Belva Devara, and Gojek, founded by Nadiem Makarim. Those companies have contributed a lot to the country of Indonesia by opening many job opportunities so that many people are helped economically. In addition, the presence of Ruang Guru also helps a lot educate the nation's children to improve human resources Indonesia. Of course, there are still lots of business created by youth that also participate in improving Indonesia economies. The role of the youth is not limited to improving various aspects in Indonesia, such as the economy and politics. Others try to do their best to make Indonesia better known by other countries. For example, Erika and Eva Alicia, who work as content creators on TikTok, often express the unique of Indonesian culture and express their love for Indonesia through painting. By sharing their work in the form of videos, many people are increasing and getting to know Indonesia. In terms of sport, two badminton athletes from Indonesia, Gracia Poli and Apriyani Rahayu, have just won gold medals at the Olympics in Tokyo in 2021. Their victory further strengthens Indonesia's position in the eyes of the world that Indonesia has a lot of great potentials, especially the potential of the young generation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, looking at how the youth both in the colonial era and the present era fight for Indonesia to get independence, in various factors show that youth play an important role for our nation. Indonesia not just in the past, but also in the present and the future. As a part of youth, let's continue the spirit of our predecessor and let's participate in what we can do for our country. They could do it. We can do it. Merdeka! Thank you and Om Santi 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 Om.